I just got word that Cary High School is has a murder, so I'm gonna go and check it out.
I'm gonna be taking the scene because to make sure that no one else can get in and contaminate it. So.
Ashley coming to mark the evidence with numbers.
Okay, we're going to mark the evidence with numbers so we know which one we need to look at and photograph.
Kiana, I'm the detective and I'm going to interview the person who found the scene. What is your name, sir? Don't step on the body.
David,
Okay. When did you find the scene?
like 3 o'clock.
Okay. And did you touch anything at the scene?
No,
Good. That's very good. And do you have any idea who this might be?
that's Bob.
Bob. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time.
And I'm going to be taking a lot of different photos of the evidence scene.
And I'm going to be following behind her, writing down the photo number and what type of picture it is and details about what the picture is.
So this first photo I'm taking is going to be a long range of the whole entire scene, and it is going to be 90 degrees, so that it can get so that it's not distorted. And then this next photo I am taking is going to be a mid-range of some of the evidence numbers, and okay. Now I'm going to be taking short close-up photos. The first one that I take, it will be of the blood. It will not have a scale next to it, but then the second photo will have a scale next to it so that it won't be distorted if the picture is expanded or contracted. The second photo I am taking is of the fingerprints. I'm going to be doing the same thing with the scale. Okay. The third photo I am taking is going to be of the phone. And then with the scale. And then the fourth photo is going to be of the pen. Oops, without the scale first. And then with the scale. And then the fifth photo is going to be of this balled up piece of paper. Okay, me and Kiana are going to be making a rough sketch, and we will be using the rectangular method of measuring. The first thing we are going to measure is the whole area of the scene. So, let's see. Oh, really wide.
You can pull that down.
Okay, the side of it is 93 inches. And then this part is 69 inches. And now the body is from the top of the hand to the foot 83 inches. And it is, let's see, 54 inches from the wall. And the phone is 26 inches from the wall and 11 inches from the foot of the the phone is 5 inches in length. And you will keep on repeating this process for every piece of evidence until you have them all cataloged in the rough sketch.
So right now, I'm going to be collecting the blood, and what you do is you take a cotton swab, and you're going to wipe up the wet blood with it, and then you're going to take a biological tube, and you stick it in there. In order to collect the fingerprints, we're going to put tape over it, and then we're going to stick it on a piece of paper. To collect physical evidence, we're going to put them in either brown paper bags or a clear bag. So we found a note, so I'm going to crumple it so we can see what it says. And then we're going to place it in a clear bag. You're going to label a blood sample on a cotton swab from a biological tube. You're going to put the date collected down, which I'm guessing we're just going to say that's the date for now. Then you're going to put the case number down. You're going to say who it's collected by. In this case, it was collected by me. And then you're going to put the description of what the evidence is. In this case, it's a cotton swab of blood. Now we're going to document another piece of evidence we found. In this case, it's the crumpled up note. You're going to say the date collected, the case number, and who it's collected by. It's the same as the last one. I collected it. It's the same date. For the description, you're going to write a crumpled up note. And we're going to repeat this for the rest of our evidence, and then we're going to send it in to the lab to be analyzed.